Oh wow, this place sucks. Oh hey Stella.
Oh, look, it's Blanche.
And me, Stanley.
Hi Stanley.
Hello, Blanche.
You look fat. I'm a secret alcoholic. I took a leave from teaching because I'm stressed. Just kidding. I slept with a student and I lost Belle Reeve. Ha ha.
Blanche, that's not good at all.
You what? Stell, I think she sold Belle Reeve, and I'm starting to feel swindled, and I don't like being swindled, because when I'm swindled, I'll feel swindled, and nobody swindles Stan the man, you got that? She sold Belle Reeve. Just look at her clothes!
No, Stan, she lost it.
Hey Stella, did you sell Belle Reeve?
No, I lost it.
Okay then, show me the papers.
'Kay, here they are. Just don't touch my love letters.
I'm gonna go get some booze.
Hey there, lover boy.
Oh, hey there.
Let's listen to some music.
Let's not listen to music. Yeah. Stella.
I love you, Stan.
Come in.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you have any money for the newspaper?
Give me your tender underage lips.
Please, no. Please.
So, Blanche, how old are you?
My husband shot himself at a dance after I found out he was gay. And now I hear this polka music all the time.
I need you in my life.
So I heard Blanche was a bit of a hoe back in Laurel.
That's a lie and you know it.
Nah, I heard it from a friend who goes to Laurel all the time.
Oh, okay. Happy birthday, Blanche.
Where's Mitch? Have you guys heard the one about the bird?
Oh my god, your jokes suck. Nyeh! Happy birthday, Blanche. Here's a ticket back home. I'm going bowling.
No, you're not.
Oh, yes, I am.
Oh, yeah? Watch this.
Hey, Blanche, you're too dirty for me.
Oh man.
Look at my silk pajamas.
Mitch came and apologized, and Mr. Chef Huntley's taking me on a cruise.
You're crazy.
But I'm crazy for you. You better get back before I stab you.
Let's go, Toots.
You're not Mr. Chef Huntley. What about my cruise?
Oh,
I can't believe she's going away.